What is good on YouTube? Hey, back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Now, specifically in today's episode, we are going to be looking at the kind of consolidation that's taking over most of the major cryptocurrencies. Now, the goal here is maybe within the consolidation that's taking place within XRP and some of the other altcoins here, maybe we will find a new technical indicator that could maybe help us gauge when the next dump or pump is. You can already see the way XRP is forming here. It's almost like there is some sort of symmetrical triangle, starting to make its path here. You can already see as I zoom out or zoom in to 4 hour from the daily that we're starting to get that uptrend and that downtrend here. And this could ultimately allow us to find another opportunity to either buy in long or buy in short, which is definitely a very good sign. So we're going to draw the technical indicator on and a little bit later in today's episode. But besides that, we're also going to be looking at Ethereum here, which is continuing to rise to the upside, given the fact that we are still overbought, which is pretty nuts here. And then we're going to be looking at Bitcoin, which has officially broken outside of its beautiful ascending fractal here. This can be a bearish sign sometimes here, but as you guys can see, it's clearly not doing that today, which is absolutely nuts here. We've been tracking this for who knows how long every day on the channel. And here was another opportunity to buy in here, which you could still take advantage of as I speak, because this just broke out as I'm talking about it. And we've made these videos day after day after day after day here on the channel. As you guys can see, the past like 2 videos was literally talking about the fact, the truth that you must hear. Why does nobody see what's happening here? Then we said it again, it's not too late to get in. XRP and Bitcoin still showing possible opportunities for breakouts here. And as you can see, we clearly drew it on the thumbnail. I don't know how much more obvious I could be with drawing this on the thumbnail here. And obviously we started to see that eruption here. Now prices are breaking out. So this is another primed opportunity to take advantage of. And you can see this is exactly what's happening here. So I don't know how many more times we can outline this for you guys to take advantage of these trades here. But here's another one right on the table. Not too late to be getting in here. Obviously we were able to take advantage of this and we're still sliding up. Even if you bought in at 36,420, we've now moved up another $400. So it's a very simple, very easy trade to be making here. And beyond that, we're also going to be looking at the S&P 500, which is looking good too. Finally, starting to see a bit of turbulence, which is necessary for the correction and then a pump. So I'm excited to see what's to come within most of these major cryptocurrencies. But with all that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump into today's episode. So guys, super quick before we dive into the technical analysis, for those people that haven't already heard about my Patreon, for those that constantly ask where you can get my trades, make sure to check out my Patreon, which is linked down in the description below, where I post all of my trades before it hits, YouTube here. A lot of you guys wonder, well, I post stuff on YouTube. Yeah, but it comes out late. A lot of times I post it in the afternoon. The trade is already made. We upload it on Patreon, my friend and I, and then I make my YouTube videos here. So make sure to check out Patreon if you haven't already. We have over 1,400 posts. We've had a Patreon for many, many, many years. And now that the markets are starting to get back and we've made some solid trades over the past couple of weeks here, I highly recommend you take advantage of this and hopefully it will earn you some more cryptocurrency. We have a few different tiers here: gold tier, the loungers, crypto platinum, and then we have a masterclass for those that are new to cryptocurrency that want to learn everything there is. This is what we learned. This is my experience of the past 5, 6, 7 years in cryptocurrency, all compiled into one. So make sure to check this out down in the description below. And on that note, for some more free money to offset the cost of the course here, you can see right here, grab your $200 in rewards from BidFi, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. BidFi lets you buy long, sell short, leverage trade, and a ton of other things, but more importantly, free $200. So make sure to go claim that ASAP down in the description below. Now, moving forward and diving into the technical analysis, you can see top 10 cryptocurrencies revealing a 74 on the Fear and Greed Index. We're up about 3% today, starting to head higher, which is definitely a good sign if you ask me. 24 hours, 4.3 Bitcoin, XRP, 10% over the past week, nothing today. Solana's up about 9.7 today. We have Cardano up 20% over the week. And honestly, we look really good across the board for a lot of these cryptocurrencies. So I'm very excited to see where this takes us and where this is going to be moving us in the very near future. Now, as I've said before, the movements we're starting to see on crypto is not a surprise, like, at all. I don't know how many times I've told you guys this. I mean, just the past 2 days, I've made 2 videos right here showing you the opportunity that's prevailing itself on Bitcoin and even XRP. A beautiful ascending fractal here. You can see us filling in the gap here. Me literally saying the truth you must hear. Me literally saying it's not too late to be getting in. Watch this chart here on Bitcoin as it will, ideally open another door for a possible trade. And that's what I've been saying day after day after day. What I mean by that is we've already seen breakouts within XRP. We've already seen breakouts within Ethereum. What we haven't seen is one within Bitcoin just yet. And I said, if you missed out on XRP and you missed out on Ethereum, keep your eyes peeled on Bitcoin because Bitcoin will be doing it very soon. And as you can see, it's already happened. Now, moving forward, diving back into XRP, what's to come now? Well, we zoom into the 4-hour. We're getting a very interesting charting here. I don't know how I want to draw this because we're definitely kind of all over the place and it almost seems like we're maybe coming to the end. I don't know. Something along the lines of this. Maybe a downtrend here. Again, way too early. You got to listen to me. Way too early to be drawing uptrends and downtrends on this. Trying to find some sort of uptrend, some sort of support here. It is way too early. What I mean is we only have 2 confirmations on XRP for 4-hour. It is not enough to confirm a downtrend. It's not enough to confirm an uptrend. So we must let XRP play out a bit longer for us to determine where and when it's going to see that break. I mean, honestly, I don't even like the way I just drew that chart. That charting here, it more so looks something like, sorry, not what I wanted to draw. It more so looks something like this. Is ideally the kind of pattern that looks better to me. But again, there's so many moving parts here. Could this be the already have broken out here? Yeah, it's possible. I've been expecting to see a correction here within a lot of these cryptocurrencies because the S&P is hitting a high. So there's a lot of moving parts right now, but I'm in the field that we are due kind of for a pullback. I know a lot of people are extremely bullish on crypto, and I am extremely bullish in crypto in this market. But short term, within the next coming days, I think it is very necessary for a healthy pullback within XRP. As you see, we were just at 86 on the RSI. We're still at 74. It's still extremely overbought. You can see the consolidation, the uncertainty here, but a correction back down a moving average here on the daily would by no means hurt this cryptocurrency. It would by no means hurt XRP. I'm looking for a continued descending fractal here where you can see this would be the flag pull. Here's the flag itself, and then we're looking for another breakout. So I'm expecting and anticipating correction to take place. When that opportunity prevails, we'll obviously take advantage of it on BidFi, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. BidFi lets me buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. You can see right here. Here's the stop limit orders. Here's the take profit stop loss orders here. We have the leveraging, the amount of leverage you want to use right here. We even have XRP to leverage trade, which makes this such an amazing exchange to take advantage of. Best part, literally clicking right here, you can earn up to $2,888 by completing simple tasks down right here, user tasks, advanced tasks, and even exclusive tasks. So make sure to take advantage of them down in the description below. Sign up completely free and claim your rewards before the actual breakouts happen here. Now, moving forward from BidFi and XRP here, you can see the continued correction within Ethereum. I'm a bit skeptical as to how high we're going to be able to continue to pump. Just because of the way Ethereum's been moving here, I don't know for certain where we're going to be moving. Obviously, we broke outside of a symmetrical triangle. It is bullish nonetheless, and we are continuing to slide up higher here. But how much higher are we going to go? That's the tough part. Now, you could have taken profits. I've taken profits. I've left Ethereum here for the time being. For those that are still in, just keep that stop loss tight because I think the markets are definitely due for correction at this point. Now, as for Bitcoin, I think it's playing catch up, but we are now overbought. But you can see here the beautiful ascending fractal here. Could be a bull trap, of course. We could easily see that reversal. It's definitely a possibility here. But the fact is we broke bullish. We had a beautiful ascending fractal. It was about time we saw some sort of volume here. And there's a good chance we are going to peak very soon, maybe at 37K. And then we're going to see that correction. So it is definitely a necessary, healthy pullback nonetheless, but we confirmed the breakout. We called this yesterday, and it's really just been soaking up the profits moving forward from here. Now, as for the S&P starting to peak, yesterday was that filler. We might see the last day being today, and what I mean by that is we are in a bull flag. We've drawn on this fractal here, and you can see it is a necessary correction right here that we're looking for. This is the next step, a retest, a reject, and then a reversal back to the outside here. So, and I think that will hopefully allow the markets to cool back down. Then we'll be able to head back up. But with that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.